All right, guys, 2005 Ram 5.7 Hemi. Nice truck, single cab. He just bought it. He's been watching videos. It's inspired him to bring it to us. So got high flow cats on it, there and there. Then it singles out into a single right there. And then what we put on it, the FLOWMASTER Flow FX, part number 71419, right there. Then continue the 3-inch out the side with a dual Natami tip. There'll be a link in the description for it also, hopefully, guys, for you. Right there, as you guys can see. So it's got a side exit. Really clean, really nice. Came out beautiful. There'll be a link in the description for the Flow FX and the tip for you guys. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And you know what to do. I don't have to tell you. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So hit us up if you're ever in the area. Now you know. So good. Don't you guys hear the sound decibels on it? Go ahead. Again. Right at 113. There's the muffler resonator we cut off. One more. Perfect. That's the muffler, resonator, tailpipe that was on it that we took off. Single cab, beast of a truck. I like it. Sounds really nice. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
MagnaFlow Magnapack side exit.